Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the failed to download file error in Minecraft. This error usually happens when the Minecraft launcher cannot properly download game files due to internet issue, blocked connection, or corrupted cache. First, restart your internet by turning your Wi-Fi or router off and then on again to refresh your connection. Next, restart Minecraft Launcher. Just go and completely close Minecraft Launcher and just reopen it and try downloading the file again. Also, check if your antivirus or firewall is blocking Minecraft, because security software can sometimes stop downloads. Also, make sure you have enough storage on your PC. Just go ahead and press Windows and a key on the keyboard to open the settings. And from here, just go to the storage. And here, make sure you have enough storage on your PC, since low storage can also interrupt a file download. Next, just go ahead and open Minecraft Launcher once again, and just go to your profile at the top left and click on Logout, and just go ahead and sign back in with your account to refresh the authentication. If the error still continues, reinstall Minecraft Launcher to fix any corrupted download file or settings. The simple rule is interrupted or blocked download usually cause this error, and restarting your launcher or internet fixes it in most cases, and that's it. We just learned how to fix the failed to download file error by restarting internet, checking Firewall, freeing storages, and reinstalling the launcher. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.